Marbling peeps, Pam here with Majik Studios. Who is ready for more tips about marbling? I know I always love to find out a little fun fact that makes my job easier. So I truly enjoyed sharing that video last time. So I have 3 more tricks up my sleeve. So don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay tuned. How about that? All those things I found around the house, and now I'm going to pull them out of my sleeve, like knitting needles, wooden skewers, another knitting needle, combs of all sizes, shapes. When did I use that? So this is what it looks like first, but this is what you can turn it into. And let's see if there's anything else in the sleeve. Ta-da! A paintbrush. Look at that. A single-use fork minus some teeth. How about that? Now, I will be giving more tips and tricks on tool making in my next video, but that's a start of the way you can find some tools to use for your marbling. Rinse boards. This is my best tip ever. How many of you have ever used these heavy masonite style boards? This is just a very small one. And you know what happens to it when it gets wet? It gets heavier, right? Well, I'm all about lightweight these days. And the best lightweight board I have found is this white corrugated board. I bought a big board and cut it down into about 4 to 6 boards out of that one big sheet. I was trying to save money. Then I covered it with white duct tape to seal the edges. But the season is perfect for harvesting other plastic boards. They come in a little larger size, maybe 18 by 24, which you can cut down. These boards are beginning to pop up everywhere, and you can cut them in half, and they're the same thing, and the price of them is the thing that I love the best. They're free. They're free. You just have to wait until somebody loses, and then you can go collect them. Now, my other pro tip is to spray paint the front of it, at least one side of it, to protect the innocent, you know. So that's what I have done here. Now, did I tell you that you can use any color of duct tape? Quack, quack. Just a little humor. And my third tip is cookie trays. No, I don't want you to go and bake cookies. But for those times when you are just itching to marble and you don't want to set up your big marbling tray, why not go buy a small cookie tray? Cookie trays contain just enough size. Yes, it's a little bit shallow, I understand that. But maybe you want to practice paints or a drawing pattern. These are perfect. This size cookie tray, which I got at my local dollar store, will fit a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. Make sure you use 24-pound weight. Wow, that's a pro tip right there. And you can get your marbling fix on. You can go to your thrift stores as well and find bigger, wider, and deeper cookie trays. Because you know homes are transitioning, so you might just find something else that would fit your need for marbling. And speaking about those resale shops, look at this beauty. An old photo developing tray. Look, a coat of white paint sprayed on the inside gives you that good background so you can see your colors well. And look at this. It has a pouring spout. I absolutely adore that. And no joke, I found 5 of these at the same resale shop, and I think they were $5 each. What a bargain! So I snapped those right up, and these work really well for those larger pieces of paper that I want to have, or teaching a little bit more advanced class. So always keep your eyes open no matter where you are. Hey, that's the short and sweet of extra tips to help you get started on building your marbling studio. Reach out with more questions and suggestions. Did you see how I'm rhyming today? Marble on with love. This is Pam from Majik Studios.